Hi guys, happy Easter. It's Monday, Easter Monday here, and I just thought I'd do a quick couple of videos. I know all of you are probably either celebrating your Easter this weekend, or if you're of the, I think it's the Orthodox sort of church, then it's probably next weekend. So happy Easter whenever you're having it. I just wanted to sort of do a little bit of a ramble. I know I'm good at that, on what is wrong with streamers, YouTubers, commentators. You know, we look down here, one here, and then there's one, where is it, another one here, and we're hearing of this almost on a daily occurrence, and that's people essentially being racist during streams, during videos, during whatever it is, during live presentations. And it amazes me that these people who should have the experience and the ability to at least self-edit before it comes out of their mouths, to stop themselves coming out with racist slurs or comments, or you know, it doesn't take much. And what is also worrying is the fact that if they're unable to do that, it sort of links into a slightly deeper problem of that person. Maybe they just are a bit racist. So it just makes me wonder how, you know, why these people who are so, you know, sort of hugely in the spotlight, making an awful lot of money, and I know this has been discussed quite a lot at length by others, but it bewilders me as to how people should be professional in their job in that regard and are unable to stop themselves coming out with things. Perhaps maybe in I'm not supporting their behavior, but I'm just saying perhaps in the Twitch streams when you're sort of playing a game, and some of them are young, yeah, you know, that perhaps they're forgetting that they're actually broadcasting, and there's 1,000,001, certainly in that respect, young adults and kids watching, that would kind of look up to that individual at that time and see that behavior during a stream, during a gameplay, and believe that that's okay to act that way. And same too when you sort of see people like this guy here, who during a some eSports thing, which is something I'm still yet to get my head round. It's an age thing, don't worry. It's my birthday today. I'm 49, would you believe? It's the last year of my 40s. But back to this. Woo, birthday. Back to this. You know, this is a professional, or should be a professional, broadcaster in the sense, or presenter in the sense that he's being watched by a lot of people. He's getting paid for this. And yet he still can't stop himself from being racist during a stream or during an eSports event. So, and these aren't isolated events, they're pretty common. We hear of this quite a lot. So my question is, what can be done? What can we do? And I think there's not a huge amount you can do. You can't stop the event if it's live. If somebody comes out with something, perhaps you could come out with a delay, but then who's going to monitor it? Because a lot of these streams, certainly this one here, this guy, you know, it's himself, you know, and he's making a fortune doing it, which is great for him. But you know, that it's a difficult thing, a hugely difficult thing to police. So what can you do? And I believe there's not a lot you can do other than making it in such a way that if you are caught doing it, that there is no that there is a punishment there that is going to put people off or think twice about even muttering such words, so they don't do it again. I'm not sure what Twitch do to punish people. I'm not even sure if they do. I know YouTube, you kind of have to be a bit of a dick really to get them to dump you, and it's all about money. So if you know these Twitch are getting lots of people viewing your videos and streams, then they're making money from that, so you know they don't want to shoot themselves in the foot too. So it's a difficult thing, so I'm not too sure how these can be stopped. I think a lot of it is about maturity in a lot of these people, and understanding the people that are watching their videos and how that can have an effect on those that are watching it. So I think it's more about maturity and having standards and personal standards in your presentation, and educating those perhaps that are creating these problems, that are doing this, from ever doing it again. So what do you think? How do you believe that this can be stopped? I know that we're kind of at a time when, you know, people are hugely sensitive. I know in the US, you know, having lived there for a while, there's a lot of racial tension that you perhaps don't get over in any other country. Certainly don't get that same racial tension as you do in the US, in the UK, so very different. So it's just awareness, I think, and education. But what do you guys think? How do you think this can be addressed, if it ever can be? Let me know your thoughts. If you've not subscribed, please do. Also click the bell, because YouTube have changed some things which everyone's been made aware of, which isn't good, but you have to click the bell to get notified of my videos, so make sure you do that. And subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know what you think, and happy Easter once again. Take care, guys.